Sup everybody, Logan here, stock investor aka crypto investor, back with another video. Today we're going over the Alita token. Name of the token is Alita and ticker symbol is also Alita. Now it was just announced that this token is going to be getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon. We're going to go over the information on the Alita token and how you can get it in just 1 second, but before we do that, just quickly, I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to buy this token or anything like that. This is strictly just information. Take it with a grain of salt. Always do your own research first before investing in anything, especially crypto, because crypto can be very volatile. Also, there is a ton of referral codes down there in the description box. Have a look at those. Best referral codes for the best crypto apps. You can get yourself free money, free rewards, free crypto, things like that just by using those referral codes down there and funding your account. It's real simple. Referral codes benefit both of us, so check them out in the description box. And let's get into this token here. So, this token, it was just announced on Twitter here that this token is going to be getting a brand new central exchange listing very soon on a central exchange called Bitmart. So it says here, upcoming new listing, Bitmart will list the Alita token from Temu Fund, and I'm going to put their Twitter up right here, at Temu Fund on x.com, so you guys can easily find this project. It says, keep an eye on our socials for further announcements. So, it doesn't give an exact date yet, but usually it's going to be in the next couple days once they make this announcement. So, if you don't have a Bitmart account and you're looking to get this token, all you would have to do is download Bitmart from the Google Play Store or the Apple App Store, or get it on your PC. Fund your Bitmart account with USDT. Go into the trade section and search Alita, A-L-I-T-A, and then simply just buy the token. You'll have to wait till it gets listed, so you could follow this Twitter right here at Temu Fund, or you can follow Bitmart's Twitter at Bitmart Exchange, and they're going to announce when this token is listed. Now, this is already a very well-established project. As you can see, this Twitter has 73,200 Twitter followers, 691 posts, blue verified checkmark. It says Alita AI is a decentralized on-chain trading platform focused on deflationary mining. Only up, not down strategy. Now, obviously, take that with a grain of salt. Nothing's going to just continuously go up forever, if you know what I'm saying. So, yes, always do your own research, of course. Now, in their link tree, right here on the, in their pinned tweet, there's basically like a link tree on this Twitter here. They have DEX tools charts. They have CoinMarketCap, CoinGecko, contract address. They have a contract address to a different token as well called the Angel token. They have a link to Pancakeswap where you could also get this token. And then you go to their webpage, Grok, so Grokalita.com is their webpage. So Grokalita.com. Over there you can connect your wallet. They have a full CertiK audit, it says. LP miner, exchange, transmit, introduction. You can click on learn more. It'll take you over to a 15-page white paper. So Alita AI, no loss trading, the first ecological token, Angel interpretation of gameplay. Now keep in mind this could be translated here. I'm going to assume that it reads a little bit off because it's translated. So they have the Alita Swap exchange. It says bold innovation in trading models. Alita Swap adopts a lossless trading model that uses a unique calculation formula to achieve accurate and error-free trading. Completely automated control mechanism. So all token prices have an independent calculation formula. This unique mechanism charm can realize the automatic increase of currency price. They have strict currency listing review mechanisms, so strict currency listing review mechanisms to ensure full compliance with standards, select high-quality currencies to provide safe and reliable digital asset transactions for global trading users. And it says completely decentralized. The currency price is dominated by the mechanism, and personal behavior is placed under the mechanism. Realize decentralized community autonomous transactions. So yes, they have the Alita swap, which is lossless trading in quotations, and value-added tokens. So then they have the Angel token. So they say here that the Angel token has 21 million tokens. It says you can get it on Pancakeswap. And then they have a mining pool here. They have a swap LP pot. And so all that info is on their white paper there. They show the mining model and how you can get involved with mining the let's see here, the Angel tokens. And so it says users can invest USDT, BNB, Alita, or jointly form LP with 50% each of other community coins, of which 50% USDT, BNB, and Alita are automatically added to the LP pot, 50% of the team prize pool, and users receive 100% of the computing power. So their static output of Angel tokens is based on 1% of Alita's standard every day. So these tokens kind of like work together is what they're saying here with the mining pool and all that type of stuff. So dynamic and static are combined to triple exit, and real-time settlement is carried out according to the price of Angel tokens, entering the market regardless of morning or evening, sustainable and healthy development. 90% of the Angel tokens sold enter the mining pool, and 10% are destroyed in a black hole, automatically withdrawn LP. 50% Alita base, 50% Angel tokens. Alita and Angel tokens can also be sold on the Pancakeswap exchange. So if you wanted to get the Alita token before it gets listed on Bitmart, you can get it on Pancakeswap by funding your Trust wallet or your MetaMask wallet with Binance Smart Chain, going into the dApps, finding Pancakeswap, and then trading your BSC for the Alita token using the contract address that you can find on their official webpage, Grokalita.com. You're probably going to have to set your slippage. Now, it says here there is tax. It doesn't give an exact amount. It says token trading slippage, and then, 5%, I guess. I believe it's around 5%. If you did buy or sell this token off on Pancakeswap, leave a comment down there on what your slippage is. That always helps people. But it says token trading slippage, trade 5%, and then it says 5% marketing, 0.5% LP. So there will be slippage. I'm just not sure. It's kind of vague the way they put that there. They should have just gave an exact tax number or an exact slippage number. That would have been better. But how the tokens are split up, they have 10% going to the foundation. We got 45% going to LP liquidity, and then we got 45% IDO presale, and there is a total supply of 77.7777 billion Alita tokens. It's a community-driven token and fairly launched token model. No team allocation, 100% dispersed to liquidity pool, contract authority lost to black hole. It says they have the LP swap, where you could trade, earn, and win crypto, and the most popular decentralized platform in the galaxy. There's a trade now button on their page. You can connect your wallet. So they are burning tokens. It says trade anything, no registration, no hassle. Trade any token on BNB Smart Chain in seconds just by connecting your wallet. Earn passive income. And then they have a Discord you could join. They have a Telegram. They have a Twitter. So they're partners with DexView and PinkSale. So most likely there is a PinkSale pre-sale page where they had a pre-sale prior to this Bitmart listing. And they're also listed on CoinGecko, CoinMarketCap, and there's a contact email at the bottom of the page if you want to reach out to them. Check it all out, Grokalita.com. And go check out the Twitter right here. You got a full link tree basically in the pinned tweet, and they're going to announce soon when they're going to be listed on Bitmart. Now, I am not a financial advisor, so why don't you guys let me know in the comment section down there. What do you guys think about this project? Do you think this is a good investment or not? Like this video, subscribe for daily crypto videos where I go over the newest coins and tokens and what their info and utility is. And thanks for watching, everybody. Y'all have a great day out there. Peace out.